Okay, so let's look at SBI क्योंकि बैंक्स काफी चर्चे में हैं. PSU बैंक्स में प्राइवेटाइजेशन की बात चल रही है and the most hated PSU bank stock rallied big time पिछले 2-3 महीनों में. I think ये 150 रुपए से almost 450 रुपए के हो गया था. And I think we covered this a couple of times in the last few months in our चर्चा, जहाँ पर मैंने clearly indicate किया था कि SBI is going to surprise on the upside a lot of people, and exactly वही हुआ है. This rally, if you look at this just last month, 282 से 428, that was a massive 1 month move. I think जो भी उस time में futures या options long trades में बैठे हुए थे, they would have made big amount of money. This interests me because it has a bearing on the Bank Nifty, and so let's look at what the stock holds for us for the coming week. क्योंकि अभी ये जो हमारा discussion है, this is what to do with our trades for the next week. This is the monthly chart, and if we go down to the weekly scale, it looks like one impulse move up is done. जो recent high था 427.28 के आसपास, वहाँ पे ये move खत्म लग रहा है मुझे. There were also high volumes on this particular candle. So this yellow dotted line, it marks the range for the high volume. उसके बाद थोड़ा सा ऊपर गया है, and this is a typical exhaustion sign, inverted hammer जो बना है. This is on a weekly scale, and if we go down to the daily scale, ये जो gap था 358 से 385 तक, इसने gap up किया था on the 5th of February.
Yeah, after the result day.
That, हाँ correct, after the result day. And उसके बाद ये लगातार देखो कितने डोजी बने, 1 2 3 4, ऑलमोस्ट ये डोजी था, 5 डोजी बने थे. So this was a perfect triangle. Typically this kind of triangle forms in wave 4. So we can count within the large fifth wave, we can count 1 2, this was third, which was gap up, this is fourth, and ये fifth खत्म हो गया है. And वहां से उसने एक बार 2 बार try किया to break this gap area. In fact, I was holding some deep out of the money puts, but it didn't work out. क्योंकि यहाँ से bounce किया इसने और यहाँ पे मेरा stop loss trigger हो गया था. But like always, हमारे उतरते ही trade जो है, it starts going in the right direction. So it just took another 2 days. Yesterday, it broke down below this level, 385. But काफी indecisive close रहा. I am waiting for this gap to be filled, and this should happen pretty quickly, मेरे हिसाब से. But we should not get extremely bearish with this stock because ये इतने सालों के consolidation के बाद ये breakout हो रहा है. So we have to be really quick. So for the coming week, I would look at maybe a 370 put or at best a 360 put. Nothing beyond that, because volumes काफी support करते हैं, and also going by the volume expansion theory, Anand, that you've been teaching us, this correction can come to about 50% of this high volume range, right? So 50% of this high volume range is roughly around this green line, which is 350. And that 350 was also a huge resistance zone multi-year.
Yeah.
ये देखो, 2010 से
टेस्ट करने आ सकता है.
11 साल लगाए 350. Correct. So it may come and test that zone, and that will be the place where आंखें बंद करो और लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए खरीदो इस स्टॉक को, क्योंकि इससे नीचे शायद ना जाए, ऐसा लग रहा है अभी को देख के. So for the coming week, bearish possibilities with the possibility of filling this gap area and nothing really beyond that. So we should play this bet. Or if this gets filled quickly, suppose कल market open हुआ और फटाफट ये 10-15 रुपए cover कर लिया इसने, then we should wait for this correction to end, because this could be a simple A, B, and see, and वहां से again the rally begins. So we have to be really quick and nimble with this trade. That's on SBI.
No, next stock in our discussion today is Tata Motors. I have been we have been receiving a lot of queries on this. So
It's a
let
very
us
high
discuss
demand
it.
stock.
Yeah, high demand stock है ये. So back to back every week आ रहा है actual में. And but
Hmm.
since it was not looking too good to be to give a quick move since last couple of weeks, it wasn't looking very good even in volume side, so we were not covering it.
Hmm.
But now something interesting is looks like is about to happen in this. After a 1 month of consolidation, something interesting might
Correct.
happen in it, but I'm not too sure will it happen again soon because volumes are not too promising as of now. Why it marks an
Yes.
importance is last week it has reversed exactly after forming or testing some good resistance. If you observe here, a
Hmm.
resistance around 350 once, twice, which was the support earlier in a down move. It has tested exactly that and reversed sharply. And if we observe last week volume, these have been highest volume since last 4 weeks, or it has been rising since last 3 weeks. Now it looks like it is preparing for some next leg of a move. Direction, let us see. So what does it indicate? This may come down and test a 300 again and move higher to
Yes.
give a breakout. And once it crosses and closes above 350, then expected targets all the way toward 400 plus. But whenever such kind of reversals are seen, right from major resistances with good volumes, as last week volumes were high. So what is observed is it normally tries to give a some good correction. So if 300 is broken, expect a correction all the way towards 250, 230 zone. This earlier support zone, demand zone, where we had seen some very high volumes here once and then again here. So this volume zone may come and get tested if 300 gives away. If at all this Friday's move, just this Friday's move I am talking of, this is any indication to be considered, then have Friday's high and low as a stop loss. Friday's high is around 33, 37 if you observe here 338 and low is around 320, 319.7. This will be the best indication, a low risk opportunity to look for a potential move all the way towards either 250 or towards 400 plus. This Friday's move will be the guiding one. Why Friday, not beyond the days? Friday's move has come exactly. The close of Friday is exactly below the lows of this highest volume candle of last week. On weekly, we have seen the rising volumes, and last week's Tuesday's volumes, Tuesday's volumes were highest for last week, and these were highest for last 8 days. So this Friday's close happening just below the close of this high volume candle. This high and low of this Fridays might give an early indication a move towards 250 or 400 plus. Be alert, be watchful. But as I said just before starting this, it may take some more time to consolidate in this zone as it is near the major support, major resistance zone to be cleared. Some important references to be cleared, and after some big up move suddenly in 2 months, right from 150, 160 to all the way towards 350, a more than 100% kind of return in 2 months in an index stock. So it takes a time to consolidate for a couple of weeks more at least, within a range of 300 to 350, unless we get some very high volumes in the coming week. So be prepared. If at all move is about to trigger, be watchful of Friday's high and lows and look for the, as discussed, potential targets. Anything to add, Vijay?
No, I think this is good enough.
Okay.
और कोई स्टॉक करना है?
Yeah, as usual, if you have remembered, last week we have discussed Tata Communication, the cash stock, which has given an excellent move of 20% plus within a week. It was a cash stock. It
एक
was a,
काम करो ना, put that chart, टाटा कम्युनिकेशन चार्ट लगा के बोलो.
yeah. If you remember last week, we have discussed this Tata Communication cash stock, which was looking like a promising to give some big up move now suddenly. And what it has done last week, as discussed, it has moved all the way from 1100 towards 1350, a move of 20% plus within a week. And in fact, it has given within couple of days itself. It was a cash stock. These volumes have suggested it was preparing for a big move suddenly now. And it has given those who have followed it, those who have watched the videos and taken a trade on it, they might have got a good advantage, good returns. Now this week, there is one more stock which looks promising. This Tata Communication may still continue its up move all the way towards 1700, 800 after some minor consolidation. Do have a TSL or stop loss of around 1150. And this week, the next stock on my radar for our discussion is Rallies India. This is also once again a Tata Group company. Why this looks again interesting is observe these volumes. Suddenly we have seen very high volumes on Wednesday, last week Wednesday. Very high volumes these are. Similar kind of high volume or higher volume than this we have seen right in the August, after which stock has been in a good down move. And now we have seen such high volumes again, which means some big action is about to happen in this. It is preparing for the next leg of up move. Why I say up move? Mind it, where it is forming such kind of volumes. This stock has been in a range since long range since many years, and after attempting to give a breakout multiple times in last few months, it gave a dip back, made one more attempt. Now it has given a dip back without even breaking the previous attempt close. It has suddenly we have seen a good volumes. Now just 1 week of March, and these monthly volumes are already higher than February. Observe the largest pattern what it is forming in the price and volume. And these volumes are likely to cross these large 4-5 month volumes. I mean March month volumes, because in just 1 week it has already crossed the February volumes. And so it is likely to cross these full volumes of last 4-5 months. Excellent pattern. Whenever we have observed near major resistance, the stock tries to consolidate with back-to-back good volumes. It ultimately ends up giving a big upside move if it is consolidating near the resistance. So a good consolidation has been happening, and suddenly we see good volumes it looks like in coming week, max next week, that is in couple of weeks, this stock might start its up move journey and cross these highs around 350, 340, 350 resistance, and even move higher in coming months. So a low risk opportunity, 250 is the stop loss, stock is around 270, risk of around 20 rupees for a potential targets of all the way towards 350, 400 plus, approximately 50% plus kind of move. Looks very promising. So be alert, capture a trade, a good opportunity, someone who trades in a cash. This is not in F&O, so you may not get opportunity in option side or future side. Doesn't matter from where the money comes, whether it's F&O or cash. Ultimately, what matters is we are making some good money out of trading in the markets or not. Right, Vijay?
Yeah, correct.
One
That is
more
the only thing
stock.
that matters.
Yeah, so one more stock for the cash stock traders. Like last week, Tata Communication, hopefully someone gets a good opportunity in this stock. And ultimately, if rally starts moving, and what is being observed in many fertilizer stocks like Coromandel or you can say Deepak Fertilizer or already public sector fertilizer companies have rallied a lot, and now private fertilizer or agrochemical theme side looks promising now suddenly because of some good volumes back to back last week. I have selected rallies. You can look at some other charts yourself, anyone you who are following the charts, and do not miss this sector or this trade opportunities. So
Yeah.
that's it for today from here in the cash stock side. Do follow the charts, do follow the videos shared, do subscribe to the channel, do share with your friends, and do share your queries or requests for the stocks. We'll try to cover them.